Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And it's sad when we get excited when we hear the solar flux index is going to be 70. As many of you know, the solar flux index gives you an indication of how good shortwave radio reception is going to be. And we like to see numbers 100 or above. Well, they haven't been anywhere near that for 3 or 4 months because we're in the bottom of the 11-year cycle of the solar weather, which means the shortwave reception is not typically very good. Now, occasionally it will improve for a short period of times, but right now it's not too good. So the solar flux index has been running around 68, and I'm always watching Dr. T's show because she does a report every week and tells you what's happening and what's coming as far as solar weather. And yesterday she did a show and she's saying that the solar flux index is going to be around 70 for the next week or two, which is better than less than 70. So there might be a little improvement in shortwave conditions. We're hoping. So check her out. This is down here. Let me go down a little bit here. Down here is her channel name, and her name too, but it's her channel name. And check her out. Like I say, she does a weekly forecast, and I was going to play just a little tiny segment of this one where she talks about amateur radio and shortwave listening.
Right now, and I don't know if it's going to get a number designated by NOAA, but it is upping the solar flux just a little bit. We are back into the 70s for solar flux, which means marginal radio propagation for you shortwave responders and amateur radio operators. This is wonderful news. I've been hearing some good communication on. Okay,
I had been watching her channel for about a year, and occasionally she mentioned the solar flux index and how it affects amateur radio operators and shortwave listeners. And so I requested that she expound upon that in her shows and talk a little bit more about it, which she has done. And so now every week she touches on the effects of the solar weather on shortwave listening and amateur radio operators. So check her out. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.